shoot. Wait, action.
Hey everyone!
What's up?
My name is James and
I'm Josiah, by the way.
we are Do You Productions. Thank you so much for watching our film, all the support. Thank you very much. A little bit about myself. My name is James. I am the screenplay writer for this film. We as a production team decided to make this film together. I have a passion for filming. I love editing. I love the filming process, pre, post production. And I just decided to make a video that represents military and dogs.
Dogs.
Yeah, because I am a U.S. Navy veteran as well as I am a dog owner, and we could have done
we could have done a cat video.
we could have done a cats video,
but
but
we chose not to.
Yeah.
It just didn't have that ring to it, I guess.
Yeah.
Sorry for all you cat lovers out there. Okay, so yeah, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Josiah. I've been filmmaking for 2 years now. Mainly filming action movies, but this was my first like drama film that I worked on.
yeah, Josiah is an action guy.
Yeah, so
he loves fights.
yeah, I love fight scenes. I love fighting. I love getting in trouble. So many people hate me. I got so.
He looks so
many haters.
innocent, but don't let this.
Yeah, don't let my looks fool you guys.
Don't let his looks fool you. Also, we don't have. Unfortunately, we don't have our other member here.
Yeah, our other director, his name is Willie. He was also.
We miss you, Willie.
Yeah, we miss you, Willie.
We know where you are. We know you're making more films.
No homo. But yeah, he's actually out in Taiwan right now. Yeah, for those who don't know, Willie, he's in the that last running scene, the guy in the red tank. Yeah, we're not retarded, by the way. We're totally intelligent.
No, they're
beings.
retarded. They're retarded.
Yeah. But yeah, so Willie's actually in Taiwan right now working on one of his films called Mask. So
Please watch it.
yeah, please watch it. I mean, it's not out yet, but yeah, they're still in production. But they actually filmed a rooftop fight scene not so long ago, which is pretty epic. On the side, I've been working on my action film Infiltration, which will be premiering in October here in PCR.
Please support us
Yes.
when that comes out.
Yes. Yeah, that one is probably the biggest action film I've ever done, like ever, involving the SWAT team and LA professionals and everything. So. And but yeah, we'll try to produce as many videos as we can. In the meantime, we're trying to get sketches up and running, different web series and a bunch of other projects we're juggling around right now. So
Please support us.
Yeah, please support us. Stay updated. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends and family, and yeah, just keep in touch, guys. We'll just leave us comments, questions, anything you guys have, like what you guys want to watch or see more of. We'll make sure it happens, because yeah, it's happening.
That's what we do. Do you?
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you
Do
production?
you productions? Yeah.
Thank
So yeah, we'll be continuing to make stuff happen, guys, for all you fans out there. Even those who aren't fans, then we'll screw you.
We
guys.
don't have any fans. This guy thinks we have fans already.
We don't even have fans. So
But we're doing it for ourselves most of all, of
Yeah.
course. But then we also want to do it for for the viewers out there that love our films. Thank you very much.
Thank you, guys. Peace out from Do-You Productions. Wait, was I even recording the whole time?
Tell me you're recording.